Hi, I'm Kristy K, and since starting this web series, I've had a lot of questions come through via social media. So I'd like to talk about the top 5 questions and try to help out with some answers. Hi, I'm Kristy K, and today I'm going to show you how to install a Roman blind. Sometimes it's nice to add texture and variety, as well as another layer for either privacy or sun issues. One of the easiest ways to update a space is with lighting. So here, we're taking these dated fixtures and we are going to replace them with some shiny new ones. Blue and white can often feel like a really cold color scheme, but here we mixed in tones of cobalt and tan to really warm that up. By repeating the elements, it doesn't feel like any one element stands on its own. Today I'm going to talk about how I stretched a kitchen renovations budget. Changes to the breakfast bar let us seat a couple people comfortably while still having ample work surface space on either side of the cooktop, as well as having a new range that's set in to the countertop itself, keeping the lines nice and clean. Adding in different textures helps inject some personality into the design. And also on the Roman blinds, by having the crisp white woodwork and mixing in the textures of the woven Romans, it really does warm up the windows, but still giving the level of privacy needed in a bedroom. I hope these design questions and answers were helpful for you in your design dilemmas. Keep the questions coming on various social media. You can find me at Kristy K Design on Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Houzz.